Open the software and import an image. You can click Import an image in the upper right corner, or drag it directly into the editing box. Click Line Mode after importing the picture. You can adjust the size of the image through the mouse wheel, or through the keys in the lower left corner or using the cursor. Click the square button on the right to restore the original size. Click Skeletonization to view the setting details. Threshold. There is a selection range of 0 to 100. The larger the number, the lines will be more simplified. Smooth radius can be adjusted by dragging the cursor to adjust the smooth levels. There is a selection range of 0 to 30 in the Reduce Noises field. The larger the number, the more lines will be deleted. More lines will be retained with the smaller selection numbers, and it will keep more details.